Hey there, is the text size of your Samsung phone too tiny for you to read comfortably? No worries, I've got your back. In this guide, I'm going to walk you through the process of adjusting the text size on your phone. Let's dive in and get that font size sorted out. First, go to the settings on your phone. After that, scroll down just a bit until you find the More options. Next, tap on the Display option, then keep scrolling down the menu. Now, look for the Font Size and Style option. Once you find it, take a look at the bottom of the screen. You will see a slider for font size. Slide it to the right to increase the text size. Your text size will adjust accordingly and you can find the perfect fit for your eyes. And that's how you can easily adjust the text size on your Samsung phone. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks a lot for tuning in.